territory and you're doing a league there. Now, obviously, they have to get all the fixers. They should be called Kashmir Fixer League because, you know, all the members and even the Niazi, the captain, the patron of the Pakistan cricket board. You remember that Coca-Cola ka Dakkan and the leather ball, what he used to do with that, how he used to manage to get the wickets out.
The reverse swing, the reverse swing conspiracy, yeah.
So that is the patron of the Pakistan cricket board. He's the prime minister of Pakistan, and all the, you know, 10 numbers of the cricket world are going to play there because that is where the guru is. So that part of it is quite okay. But what is Pakistan trying to do? They're trying to, you know, Niazi is losing ground. He has nothing to say. He is gone. He's literally going down the drain. Now there's one more character who is a, you know, king in making is Afridi. They got together. What do they know next? How to divert the attention of the people? How to divert the attention of the world? Let's play a Kashmir Premium League. Now let me bring some facts to the light. You know, the brand value of Indian Premium League is $6 billion. Indian Premium League for last 5 years got $20 billion of revenue. The broadcasting rights are around $1 billion. The costs are up by 35% and the viewership is up by 25%. Now, when we talk billions here, do you think Niazi and Afridi is that kind of money? The people who don't have $1 billion to pay their debts, how are they playing these billion-dollar games? Obviously, they have sponsors. Now, who are the sponsors? Lashkar-e-Toiba, Tariq-e-Taliban, Hafiz Saeed, and they are going to come and play the game. Now, I want to ask the Sri Lankans, have they forget last time when you went to Pakistan, you were ambushed? You were lucky to survive. Who is going to pay the insurance of these jokers? Don't tell me it's a Chinese company. Because you know what happened to 9 Chinese engineers. You know what happened to an engineer 2 days back. He was ambushed in Karachi. Now, who will protect you all? Now, this is all a sham. And we need the most important part is, now this is all done to get some attention, get some eyeballs here and there, and to be in the news for any reasons. And tell me something. Is this Niazi high on whatever he has? What kind of a league can he organize? What is there? It is our territory. Don't you get it straight? And for people like Gibbs, I want to make one point, Vineet. Just 2 days back, we have 4 CRPF people injured from a grenade, which was made in Pakistan, thrown by a Pakistan-trained terrorist. Today morning, Kupwara, and in this, in the forest of Kulola, we had an encounter where we killed this Masoor Adil's nephew and the other accomplice who was responsible for Pulwama, where we lost 40 of our brothers. It is not a mockery, it is not a political difference. We have a serious problem in Pakistan. Every day our brave forces are in jungles, are in wilderness, are killing terrorists and dismantling the threats to the nation India. And do you think there's a political problem? No. We are talking of bullets, we are talking of lives here. Okay. Our brave hearts are risking everything to protect the country. And Mr. Gibbs, mind your language, change your thought process. I am very happy. We need one last sentence. If BCCI had decided this last time in NewsX, we demanded this. Take a call. Kashmir Premium League or Indian Premium League. Take a call. India or Pakistan. If you go to Pakistan, kiss goodbye to India for good. This is the mood of the country. This is what the nation wants. And we as 1.3 billion Indians stand with BCCI. We are proud of you for taking this decision.
Okay.
Go ahead, hum aapke saath hain.
Okay. Well, we've run out of time. I would still like to take concluding comments.
Anybody in the world, get it right, get it straight, get it in your head. Don't irk 1.3 billion people. It is politics. It is not politics we need. It is the question of people in uniform who are killed by a Pakistani bullet and a grenade, and we object to it. And we object to anybody who patronizes this. Let him be anybody.
All right, there is Sumit once again holding his heart in his sleeve, but that's what we love about him. Thank you everyone for being a part of this wonderful